Hello and welcome to today's video. Christmas is almost here, and it's the perfect time to get creative with some unique, budget friendly, and heartwarming ornaments decoration ideas. Whether you want to decorate your Xmas tree, make handmade gifts, or simply add a simple touch to your home, these ideas are going to inspire you. So grab your crafting supplies, sit back, and let's dive into 10 amazing ornaments. These amazing ornaments decoration ideas that will make your Xmas truly magical. So you can grow your business with it, you can make something different types of things, and it's a very eco-friendly, make something eco-friendly and budget friendly also. Okay, so our first idea is super simple but looks luxurious. DIY glitter baubles. Take some plain transparent ornaments, add a little glue inside, and swirl it around. Then pour in glitter in our choice, gold, silver, or even multicolor. Shake well, let it dry, and you have got sparkling ornaments that catch the light beautifully. These are perfect if you want to add a glamorous touch to your Xmas tree. Add some beadwork, add some stone, whatever you want to add. Creation is depending on you. So next up, jute ornament, rustic jute ornaments for a cozy farmhouse vibe. Try rustic jute ornaments, wrap old plastic balls or even a small cardboard cutouts with jute twine, add a bow and maybe some tiny pine cones or wooden beads. These are eco-friendly, stylish, and give your home a natural rustic charm. So, what about next? How about making it personal? Personalized photo ornaments. Print small family photos, cut them in a circle, and place them inside transparent baubles or even cardboard frames. Add a ribbon and hang them on your tree. Every time you look at your Xmas tree, you will be reminded of sweet family memories. This also makes a lovely gift idea for friends and relatives. This one is great if you have kids at home. Salt dough ornaments. Salt dough ornaments meant, okay? 1 minute. Roll it out and cut shapes using cookie cutters, stars, snowflakes, or candy cans. Bake them until hard, then paint them with acrylic colors. You can even write names or them a personal touch. Bring the beauty, nature inspired ornaments. Bring the beauty of nature indoors with pine cones ornaments. Simply collect pine cones. Spray paint them with gold or silver or leave them natural. Add a ribbon or twine on top and they are ready to hang. You can also glue small berries, glitters, or fake snow for an extra festive look. So how you feel about this idea? Write your comment in the comment section. We will try to upload whatever you want to watch. So don't throw away. Recycle ornaments crafts. Don't throw away those bottle caps, old CDs, or light bulbs. Turn them into ornaments. For example, paint an old bulb white and add a small hat and scarf. Boom! You have got a snowman. Bottle caps can be glued together in the shape of a snowman or wreath. This is a great way to recycle while crafting something festive. Xmas is never complete without candy cans. You can hang real ones on the tree or make fake ones using pipe cleaners. Twist it into red and white strips, add a ribbon, and you have got a sweet little decoration. These are super quick and fun to make with kids. Hope you enjoyed all ideas and designs. And finally, let's talk about hand painted ornaments. Take plain ceramic or wooden ball and paint them with festive designs, snowflakes, Santa, holly leaves, or even abstract patterns. You don't need to be a professional artist. Even simple dots and lines can look beautiful once hung on the tree. And that is Wonderful X-Mix ornament decoration ideas that you can try this holiday season. The best part is that the most of these ideas are budget friendly, customizable, and fun for the whole family.